Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to see Gmail contacts. So if you also want to see Gmail contacts, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Gmail application, or you can also open Gmail in web browser. If you're opening Gmail in web browser, all you have to do is launch open any web browser of your choice. After that, tap on the search bar and type in www.gmail.com. After that, Gmail will be opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Gmail application has been opened. So seeing the Gmail contact is very simple. All you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for all inboxes, primary, promotions, social, updates, start, snooze, etc. Scroll down. Now find the section for Google Apps. Over here, you'll be able to find all the Google apps. What you have to do is find the option for contacts. You can see over here, the option for contacts is right over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the contacts interface. Over here, you'll be able to find all the Gmail contacts. So that is how you find Gmail contacts. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.